Again, welcome back to my kitchen. Here we are, still talking about exponent powers. We just looked at how much larger, how much more energy a candy bar had than the energy in an electron. Let's go back at the scale of space. Earth is way smaller than Jupiter, but I wondered how much smaller. So I looked up the volume of Jupiter and the volume of Earth, and we're gonna do some exponent rule calculations, scientific notation calculations to check on that. Just for comparison's sake, here's Jupiter. I'm sure you've seen it in science class. You've got that storm there on the bottom right. Here's a website that compares them all to scale. There's the sun. You see Jupiter there, and then Earth. Much smaller. But how much smaller? Let's calculate. The volume of Earth is, I'm in trouble. I forgot to write down my units. The space website I found this on said it was 108.321 times 10 to the 10th. But you know from being good scientific notation students that we can't leave it like that. We have to have the first digit be a number 1 to 9. So if I convert that, I need to add on 2 more exponents, and we'll call that times 10 to the 12th. The volume of Jupiter was listed as 143,128 times 10 to the 10th, which we know we shouldn't leave that way. So following our exponent rules, we need to call this 1.43128 times 10 to the, how many exponents did I add on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that needs to be 10 to the 15th. So what we're comparing is 1.43128 times 10 to the 15th and 1.08 times 10 to the 12th. Let's clear those out of the way. One point 43128 times 10 to the 15th. And that's the Jupiter, mass of Jupiter, in units that I forgot to note. Mass of Earth, volume of Earth, 1.08321 times 10 to the 12th. This is just the quotient of powers. I need to subtract my exponents and divide this other number. When I just divide that, dividing the two constants in front, I came out with 1.3213. Let's do our exponent rules. Let's subtract these exponents. Got 10 to the 15th and 10 to the 12th. I'm going to be left with 10 to the 3rd. So this is bigger by a factor of 1321.3.